everyone. Welcome to TEDx Portland. How are you today? Words cannot describe how true I am to be here. You know, I grew up watching American movie, and you are my hero. My name is Nong. I'm the owner of Nong's Kai food carts and a restaurant in Portland, Oregon. I'm also bottling my own sauce and now available at the local grocery stores. I'm specializing in one dish. It's Thai chicken and rice. This is what I do every day. I say hi to you and I hand you the chicken and rice present. Today, I'm gonna show you my story about chasing perfection and what I have learned. Let me tell you where I'm from. I was born in Bangkok. My mom is a cook at a restaurant. My dad is an alcoholic, unemployed. He physically and mentally abused my mom, my sister, me, and our dog every day. And I used to always feel like shit growing up. I saw the kids in the village as young as 5 years old who would make fun of my dad. And I always embarrassed about my family and feel the need to lie about them. I used to pray every night that one day I will go as far as I can away from the place I grew up in, and a giant cockroach would climb on my face and I crush it with my hand. And here I am across the world. I came to United States from Bangkok with $70. In fact, I was started with $300 that my sister gave me at the airport, but I spent it in Korea on the way here. I bought this, which I'm bringing today. I still have it. Guess what? It has been 11 years, and I'm still using it today. None of my family members are entrepreneurs, so when I told them about starting my own business, nobody supported me. I used all the money I've got. It's not just chicken and rice. When you come to buy my food, I want to make sure that you're happy, comfortable, also fast. Not fast cooking, but fast service. In the beginning, all I do was just trying to perfect chicken and rice. And a year and a half later, I have learned that to be successful, just making good chicken and rice is not good enough. I have to learn other things too, like how to run a business. Like it or not, I have to be a leader. And people start calling me Chef Nong. I use what my mom taught me. To give first. You give, and then you receive. Respect your customer, and never forget to smile. I made a lot of mistakes being an entrepreneur. It wasn't easy. I have 19 incredible in my team, and without them, I'm no one. What I have learned is that what got me here today is that I always wanted to be perfect. I have learned now that I will never achieve that. In fact, I'm so far away from it. But the journey is incredible. The more interesting part is that I find it never ends. The bar is always higher and higher. No matter how bad situation you're in, believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it, and more importantly, do it. One day you got the opportunity, make it big. Make it more than what people expected. You might be surprised of the outcome. Thank you.